Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy. With millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. To replace the top trim on your retractable downdraft vent, raise the vent, then shut off the power to the unit. Place a blanket over the cooktop to protect it. Now grip the sides of the trim and pull it straight up to detach. Before you install the new top trim, make sure all of the retaining clips are intact on the vent. Now align the mounting posts with the clips and snap the new trim into place. Turn the power supply back on and lower the vent. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.